Welcome to Cloud Developer. Today I'm going to introduce you about Salesforce LWC.herokuapp.com. Also, you can access this site using www.salesforcelwc.live. Let's see. In our browser, just type salesforcelwc.live or salesforcelwc.herokuapp.com. This is an integration related app which your integration user can leverage to test their day-to-day integration activities, DML operations, REST APIs, streaming APIs, platform events, push topic, or any kind of DML operation, for example, insert, update, or delete. Generally, why you need this application? When you try to integrate Salesforce.com with any of the external application, basically what we do, we create an integration user, but probably we don't give them a UI access. That means our integration user is a API only user. But let's say the integration user did some activity, for example, created a record in Salesforce, or inserted or updated a record in Salesforce, or deleted a record in Salesforce. After that, how that integration user can test whether the operation is successful or not. They can leverage this Salesforce LWC.Heroku app and check the activity they did is correctly happened in your Salesforce org or not. Let's start a quick demo. Similar to any other Salesforce.com organization, you have to select either a dev org or a production org or a sandbox. In this example, we'll use a developer org. For this developer org, I have a credential already present. I'll use this credential. As you know, probably you need a security token as well. If the security token is activated for your org, you can provide that. Or else you can do one more thing. Along with your password, you concatenate your security token here itself and click on login. Once you log in, you can see at the top of the drop down you have different operations listed here. That means SOQL query, SOSL query, REST Explorer, streaming API. When I say streaming API, it includes your push topic, platform events, change data capture. Let's start with SOQL query. Just click on SOQL query. You can simply execute a normal SOQL query. For example, select ID name from contact. Or you can also execute a little complex SOQL query. In this example, what we are trying to do, we are firing the SOQL query on contact object, and at the same time we wanted to see the related account name. Just execute this. You can see the contact information is here along with the related account. The reverse is also possible. That means we wanted to fire a SOQL query on account and we wanted to see the related contacts. Here you can see, let's take this example. In this contact there are, in this account there are two contacts. Okay, Let's move on. We can do a cell query as well. For example, we can check any of the account for lead which name included UN or start with UN. I can do that. So here I found 8 accounts and 1 lead. In this name you can see UN. All of this name here you can see UN is present. Okay. Let's move on to the next topic, which is REST Explorer. In this REST Explorer, you can simply find a normal REST resource URL and access it through the GET method. For example, I wanted to list out all the REST resources available for me. I can change the version number if I want. For example, I wanted to change it to 48. I can see all the REST resources available for me. If it is not clearly visible to you, what you can do is you can click this build table button. Okay. You can also execute a SOQL query through the REST URI. Let's see how we can do that. Here I wanted to bring name as well as account number. And build this table. You see, we are getting 5 accounts, and this 5 account I wanted to retrieve name and account number. Similarly, I can make a post call as well. Let's say I wanted to insert a record. What I can do is I can select post. You can see here that when you select post, there is already a template available for you. This template is not clearly readable. What you can do, you can go to JSON formatter, you can format this template, and now it is much better. What you are trying to do, you are creating an account which is having a name as well as a billing city, and on the same request you are also trying to create a contact which is having a name, or you can say first name and last name. Okay. Just I am going with the same template, not changing anything. Oh, I see the account got created and the contact is also got created. I wanted to keep this account ID and contact ID so that I can use it for my next update and delete operation. I store my account as well as I wanted to store my contact ID. Okay. So why I store these two information? Because I wanted to play with this account and contact later. Let's move on. So for update operation, generally we use this patch. So when you select a patch, you are able to see a template, but this time you see ID. It is asking for ID. That means if I wanted to update the account, I have to provide the account ID. If you remember on the last step, we created an account, the same account we will give, and this time in this number of employee, I wanted to update because I wanted to set number of employee for a particular account. Similarly, I wanted to update the contact So how you know whether it is account or contact? From the type. Okay, let me do this here. This time I am saying lead engineer LWC. Okay, let's execute. You see here everything happened. You can also do a build table so that you can clearly see that account and contact both got updated. The next step what I wanted to do is whatever the account and contact I created, I wanted to delete both of them at once. So using the delete method, I can delete both the account and contact, but one thing I have to do is I have to separate the ID using a comma. And one more parameter I can pass on, that is all or none. That means if you don't want partial update or partial DML, you can say all or none equal to true. For this time, what I want is, if it is partial also, I am fine. Partial DML I am supposed to accept, so I am saying all or none equal to false. Let's execute. You see here both the accounts and contacts got deleted from my system. The last thing for today is the streaming API. So when we say streaming API, there could be multiple things. There could be a push topic. If it is a push topic, it will start with /topic. There could be a platform event. If it is a platform event, it should start with /event. There could be a change data capture. If it is a change data capture, it will start with data. But one thing you can notice here, if it is a standard object, it's simply the object name concatenate with change event. But if it is a custom object, then it should be object name __ change event. Okay, so in this example, what we'll test is we'll play with a account record. Let me open the account record. What I am supposed to do here, I'll edit this account name, and what I want is when I do a account name update, it should do a push topic or a change event, account change event. I'll copy from here. So the biggest advantages of using this Salesforce LWC is lot of things are given to you. That means templates are provided. You just have to use it. Okay, I'm subscribing to it. So you can see there is a message. It is listening to my change event. Simply I'll go here. I'll edit this to sample account. Let's save it. You can see there is a push topic which is pushing the changes sample account. Let me change it to again saying LWC and save it. You can see here it's got updated and the record ID is this. Okay, so this is something, I mean, I'm showing you a change data capture, but you can do the similar testing for push topic as well as platform event. Okay, I hope you enjoy the session. Anything else you wanted to ask me, you can drop a comment. I'll try to reply. Thank you all. Thanks.